Okay, random math problem number 107. Ito po ay ipiniem sa akin. So, sagutan natin. I-post nyo po ang video. Try nyong sagutan. Okay? So, a shopkeeper mixes milk and water in the ratio 3:5 and sells 1 liter of the mixture at the average price of 1 liter of milk and 1 liter of water. Water isn't free and milk costs at most 5 times the cost of water. What is the maximum profit he can earn? So, hinahanap natin ang maximum profit. Okay, so isa-isain natin ang problem natin. So, ang sabi, shopkeeper mixes milk and water. So, ang ratio natin, 3:5. So, sa ratio na 3:5, ibig sabihin nito, nauna yung milk, no? So, milk and water. So, ibig sabihin, 3 parts of milk and then 5 parts of water. And then sells 1 liter of the mixture at the average price. So alam natin yung formula ng average. Ang formula ng average x bar is summation ng x over n. Or i-average lang natin yung water at milk. So i-average lang natin yung water plus milk. Ito yung cost ng water, cost ng milk divided by 2. Okay? So ito yung magiging cost. Okay, so ito yung magiging cost. So, and sells 1 liter of the mixture at the average price. So, hindi pala ito yung cost, sorry. Ito yung magiging selling price. Okay? So, yan yung selling price. Water, cost of water plus cost of milk divided by 2. Pero wala tayong given dito. So, 1 liter of milk and then 1 liter of water. So, pwede tayong mag-assign ng price. So, tayo nang bahalang mag-assign ng price. So, ilet natin ang cost of water. Let natin cost of water kahit anong number. Piliin na lang natin yung madali. So, let's say 10 pesos. Okay, so kahit ano dito pwede nyong ilagay dahil kayo nga ang bahala dito. Wala kasing price dyan, so any price pwede. Okay? So water isn't free and milk costs at most 5 times the cost of the water. So therefore, ang cost ng milk ay equal sa 5 times daw, at most 5 times. 5 times the cost of the water. So times lang natin sa 5 itong 10. So magiging ang cost ng milk ay 50. Para ma-maximize natin yung profit, so kunin natin yung 5 times, at most 5 times the cost of water. Okay? So therefore, ang selling price natin ay equal sa water plus milk. So cost daw nila, so we have 10 pesos cost ng water plus cost ng milk, we have 50 divided by 2. So therefore, ang selling price natin magiging 10 plus 50. So we have 60 divided by 2. The selling price therefore is equal to 30 pesos. So ito yung selling price. Okay? So ito yung selling price natin. Hinahanap natin yung what is the maximum profit. Okay? So ang formula ng profit ay equal sa selling price minus the cost. So isosolve pa natin yung cost. Meron na tayong selling price. Ang selling price natin ay 30 pesos minus yung cost. So paano natin masosolve itong cost? Kunin natin yung parts. Meron tayong 3 parts ng milk tapos 5 parts ng water. So yung 3 parts ng milk equal yun sa, so kunin natin yung cost. So we have 3 over 8 kasi yung total 8. 3:5. So parts ng milk ay 3 over 3 plus 5. So we have 3 over 8. Imo-multiply natin dun sa cost ng milk, we have 50 pesos. So, times 50 pesos plus yung parts naman ng water. So, we have 5 over 8 parts ng water. I-multiply natin sa cost ng water, which is 10 pesos. Okay? So, pag sinolve natin ito, 3 times 50 divided by 8. So, that is 150 divided by 8. Ang magiging sagot doon ay 18.75. Okay? Plus, ito i-multiply natin 5 times 10. We have 50. So 50 i-divide natin sa 8. So 50 divided by 8, ang sagot doon ay 6.25. So therefore, ang magiging cost nitong mixture natin, 18.75 plus 6.25, that is equal to 25 pesos. So, ito yung cost. Okay? So, now, pwede na nating makuha yung profit. 30 pesos na selling price minus the cost. The cost is equal to 25 pesos. Meron tayong profit na, 30 minus 25, may profit tayo na 5 pesos. Ngayon, ang tinatanong, what is the maximum profit? Maximum profit he can earn para makuha ang profit in percent. So, ang percent of profit equal yan sa profit divided by the cost. So, i-divide lang natin, ang profit natin ay 5 pesos. I-divide natin sa cost. Ang cost ay 25 pesos. So, pag dinivide natin yan, 5 divided by 25, that will be equal to 0.20 and that is equal to 20%. So, pag dinivide natin yan, 5 divided by 25. So, 0, 0. So, 0, 50 divided by 25 is 2. 2 times 25, we have 50. And then just copy the zeros. The answer is 0.20 or 20%. So, the maximum profit he can earn is 20% if the cost of the milk is at most 5 times the cost of the water. Okay, so that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have question, just comment here your math question or PM me in my messenger, RJ Enseñado. So good luck sa lahat na nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.